Today I decided to do some price checks, and one of the first things that I wanted to check on was the price of gas. And as you can see, it is $1.739 a liter, which is equal to $6.39 Canadian per gallon. Now, the Canadian dollar is worth 79 cents US, so that would equate to $5.19 per gallon. And of course, I heard on the radio that we're going to get a price increase tomorrow, which is today, I guess, at $1.83 a liter, which equates to $6.96 Canadian per gallon. And factoring in the US Canadian exchange rate, it is equal to $5.50 US per gallon. I'm back in Costco, and my objective for today is to get some pricing on some items, specifically the meat, but I probably will go through a few other items as well. And for my American friends who would like to do a price comparison, and I do understand that that is of interest to some of you, one has to bear in mind that these prices are in Canadian dollars, and the Canadian dollar is worth 79 cents US. So that calculation has to be done to get a valid comparison.
Well, you know what? I need cheese in that car.
Okay, so the one thing I always buy from Costco, I could buy it from an Italian bakery, but Costco seems to be more convenient, is my brick of Parmesan cheese. And yes, Parmesan cheese is expensive to buy it in the brick form. As you can see, the cost of this one was $32.55. But what I do with this is I cut off a little chunk and I grate it and I vacuum seal the balance so that I always have some available when I need it. It's always fresh, and when it is vacuum sealed, it's pretty much the same as when you buy it in the store. It will last in my fridge vacuum sealed. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little video. A little bit different than the norm, but I know that many of us are preoccupied with the cost of things today. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you soon. See you on the next one. Bye for now.